Former Lehigh and Lafayette track and field stars fell in love and created their own real estate business focused on helping others to do the same. Our business reporter Justin Backover has their story.
A little more than a decade ago, Kiara Gray and Khalil Ukta were rivals. She ran track for Lafayette. He pole vaulted for Lehigh. His record is still on the wall.
We ended up meeting just through mutual friends. He came to my dorm. I happened to have a little get together at Lafayette.
Now they're married with a daughter. Not quite sure what to do out of college, their focus quickly moved to real estate.
I'm completely honest about this. It was 100% Kiara's idea.
Moving back to Khalil's hometown, Baltimore, to start Charm City Buyers in 2012, a now seven-figure real estate firm.
By the time we were 30, still not that far out of college, we had well over 20 rental units. We were doing huge block projects.
Their focus now is on mentoring other investors in the community through their Next Gen Accelerator program, working with mentees across the country to find, finance, and renovate investment properties in 6 months or less.
Being part of the change, there's no better feeling.
It's about really seeing the opportunity in neighborhoods that have been historically disinvested and being able to come in and add value there with the community's part of that conversation and having a seat at that table.
Which they hope to continue to grow along with their business, building a network of community investment.
Larger projects, apartment complexes with fitness centers and pools and all the works and amenities.
Keeping that rivalry alive to push the ball forward.
Competition is part of the household.
It is.
Justin Backover, 69 News.